Welcome to everyone. In this video, we will see some frequently used HTTP status codes in Web API project. 200, it means OK. This status code indicates that the request has succeeded. If you are searching for some data and you got it properly, that means the request is successful. In this case, you will get 200 as HTTP status code. 201 New resource created. If you are adding a new resource by using HTTP post method, then in that case you will get 201 as the status code. 204 it means no content. If the server processed the request successfully and it's not returning any content, then you will get a 204 response as the status code. 301 if you get 301 response from your server, it means the resource you are looking for is moved permanently. 302 if you are getting 302 as a response from the server, it means the resource you are looking for is moved temporarily. 400 4xx is a client error. If you are getting 400 as the response, this is the bad request because of the wrong data that we have sent from the client to the server. 401 unauthorized. If you are trying to access the resource which you don't have access, then you will get 401 unauthorized status code from the server. 404 it means not found. If you are looking for a resource that does not exist, then you will get 404. Say for example, if you are searching product with ID 103, if there is no data matching with this ID from the database, then you will get 404 status code from the server. 405 method not allowed. We have discussed all the methods in our previous video. We have post, put, delete and get method. For example, we have post method in the server and we are trying to access that method from the client using get method. Then in this case we will get 405 status code. 500 internal server error. If there is some error in the server, then we will get 500 internal server error. 503 service unavailable. This status code indicate that the server is not ready to handle the request. If the server is down for maintenance or the server is overloaded, then you will get 503 status code. We need to focus on these status codes carefully while working with RESTful web APIs. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you there in next video. Bye.